Okay. All right. All right. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Yeah, on Wednesdays, I volunteer 1 hour for lunch with fifth graders at Emmeline Carpenter Elementary here in Nacogdoches. Okay, we'll see y'all later, guys. Y'all have a good one. And then on Thursdays, I go down to Solid Foundation, and I spend a little better than an hour with a young man that I'm mentoring. Make myself available to the Solid Foundation because the work they do, I think, is tremendous in the Nacogdoches community, helping underprivileged kids, making sure that they have a future in Nacogdoches as productive citizens. I've been working with kids since I worked at TYC, which is in 1992 for Texas Youth Commission, and I just saw how important, that's my passion, is to help the future members of our society and try to make sure that I make an impact as much as I can. When I moved to Nacogdoches, Neil Slayton actually introduced me to John Canning, who is the founder of Solid Foundation. He does a tremendous job, and I just really admire the work that he's done and doing in the Nacogdoches community. So made myself available to him, and he's put good use to it. I go in on specific days. The student is there. We're able, if he has homework that needs to be, he needs help with or she needs help with, it gives me an opportunity to do that. We're also able to, any social issues, any personal issues that student may be going through, I'm able to advise or lead to a positive result. But it gives me an hour and a half of time to sit down and be an advocate for that student. Kadarius and I are good friends. Well, I'll say good friends, but the mentor-mentee relationship is past what we initiated. And so I've taken him on a number of field trips. He's done some fence work and cattle work that he normally would not have been exposed to. And so now I think he trusts and believes that I have his best intentions in mind. Do you think that positive role models could make an impact in your neighborhood? I mean, tell me how do you think this could help?
Well, when people don't have like somebody to guide them, like they just tend to go off of what they see around them, and that's not always the right thing to do. Like they won't always lead them down the right path. So I think that's the cause for a lot of stuff that happens.
What has me working with you benefited? How has it benefited you?
It's been like a big influence on my life. Like I don't only think about like what I want in life. Like I'll think about like what you would think of my actions.
Right.
So I would take what you say into heart and incorporate with that how I act outside of our sessions.
Well, good, man. I've had a great time working with you and getting to know you over the last year and a half, man. So I look forward to seeing what you do in the future, man. I'm really pulling for you, and I hope you maximize your opportunity because you're brilliant, man. What mentoring means to me is it gives me an opportunity to put back into the community. I know the importance of what you see, and I know that a lot of times kids don't see positive role models, and I just think that if I can be one person that can provide that, I think it makes somewhat of an impact, especially in our local community. We all have something to give in mentoring young people. It gives you the ability to share something that can be a lasting impact in that young person's life.